Forget bulky AV receivers and complex wiring. In 2025, TCL is rewriting the rules with FlexConnect, a game-changing Dolby Atmos system that adapts to your room, not the other way around. Wireless, powerful, effortless. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. What is TCL FlexConnect? FlexConnect is TCL's revolutionary wireless multi-speaker home theater system that lets you build a Dolby Atmos setup without running a single wire. Forget everything you knew about speaker placement. This system breaks the rules. With FlexConnect, you can dynamically position Atmos-enabled wireless speakers anywhere in your space. Behind the couch, on the side table, in a corner, it doesn't matter. The system calibrates automatically. The goal is simple: deliver rich, immersive 3D audio that adjusts to your unique room, not the other way around. Traditional systems force you into awkward layouts with complicated wiring and bulky receivers. TCL throws all that out. FlexConnect connects directly to supported TCL TVs, 2025 and newer, turning your television into the smart brain of your theater. This isn't Atmos Lite. It's the real deal built to scale. Core features of TCL FlexConnect. 1. True Dolby Atmos without the wires. No AV receiver. No clutter. No drilling into walls. FlexConnect speakers are fully wireless and Atmos-enabled. Depending on how many speakers you add, the system intelligently forms a 3.1.2, 5.1.2, or even a 7.1.4 immersive Atmos layout, wirelessly. Each speaker includes up-firing drivers to reproduce vertical height effects, so you can hear helicopters fly overhead or raindrops fall from above. It's not a gimmick, the experience is visceral. 2. Auto room calibration. The days of manual measurement and test tones are over. FlexConnect uses AI-powered acoustic scanning built into your TV and speakers to analyze the room's shape, furniture, and walls. Once calibrated, it adjusts the timing, balance, and directionality of each speaker, turning uneven rooms or odd furniture layouts into acoustic advantages. Whether you're in a square bedroom or an L-shaped lounge, the system adapts with uncanny precision. 3. Scalable speaker ecosystem. Start small. Grow big. FlexConnect lets you start with a basic 2-speaker stereo setup and scale up over time. Want to add a center channel or subwoofer later? Just power it on. The system will auto-detect and rebalance. This future-proof approach means you're never locked into one configuration. It's audio on your terms. 4. Seamless TV integration. Forget about juggling remotes. TCL's 2025 smart TVs become your AV command center. All controls, from speaker volume to Atmos toggles, are built into the native TV UI. Use the included remote or voice control to configure the entire system. Want to move a speaker across the room? Go ahead. The system recalibrates in seconds. 5. No AVR required. Traditional Dolby Atmos setups require bulky receivers that cost hundreds and take up shelf space. FlexConnect embeds that intelligence inside the TV and speakers. That means zero clutter, fewer components, and instant setup. You still get powerful audio processing, but now it lives in a slim TV, not a 15-pound box. Audio performance, real Atmos or just hype. We've tested it, and here's what you actually get. True object-based Dolby Atmos decoding. Excellent vertical audio cues, thanks to dedicated up-firing drivers. Clear mids and vocals, ideal for both movies and TV dialogue. Room-filling sound with minimal delay or lag. A surprisingly punchy low end, even without a dedicated subwoofer. Add TCL's wireless subwoofer and the system thunders. Add rears and you'll feel surrounded. This is not just loud, it's dimensional audio that breathes with the room. And most importantly, the audio remains stable even with multiple devices connected via HDMI, streaming, or gaming. FlexConnect in small rooms, the secret weapon. Apartments, studios, dorms. These spaces are where traditional systems fail, and FlexConnect shines. Don't have space behind the couch? Put the rears on a bookshelf. Ceiling too low for Atmos speakers? Place them on your TV stand. FlexConnect adjusts angles. Your room is shaped like a trapezoid? It calibrates acoustics dynamically. The system turns flaws into features. No space is wrong anymore. Gaming with FlexConnect. Is it fast enough? Absolutely. FlexConnect supports low-latency pass-through via HDMI 2.1 eARC. It's compatible with PS5 and Xbox Series X. NVIDIA Shield and gaming PCs. Game mode. Auto-enabled for better directional awareness. Explosion on the left. You'll hear it left. Enemy above you. The up-firing speakers make it real. For casual and competitive gamers alike, the responsiveness and clarity are top tier, and without audio lag. Setup process. From box to Atmos in under 5 minutes. Power on your TCL FlexConnect TV, 2025+. Plug in your FlexConnect wireless speakers. Auto pairing begins instantly. Launch the built-in calibration wizard. Start your Atmos movie or game. That's it. No app downloads. No expert installation. Just real Atmos in minutes. Drawbacks and limitations. No system is perfect, and FlexConnect has a few. Requires a compatible TCL 2025 TV. No third-party support yet. Speakers still need power cables, not fully wireless. Open, large spaces may need mesh Wi-Fi for stable signal. Not ideal for audio purists who demand wired precision. But for the 99% of users looking for Atmos without complexity, this is a revolutionary shift. Closing. Is FlexConnect the future of home cinema? In short, yes. TCL FlexConnect combines the power of Dolby Atmos, the simplicity of wireless audio, and the intelligence of real-time room mapping, all controlled from your TV. For small rooms, flexible lifestyles, and anyone tired of the AV receiver headache, this is your new home theater gold standard. Call to action. Take the leap. Tired of soundbars that fake Atmos? Done with bulky receivers and tangled wires? FlexConnect is here to simplify everything and sound better doing it. Right arrow subscribe now for our upcoming shootout. TCL FlexConnect versus Samsung Q990D. Which wireless Dolby Atmos system truly dominates in 2025? Your perfect sound system might not come in a big black box anymore. It might just be TCL FlexConnect.